Wow! Oh, mate. Yes! 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 Turkish! Yes!
All I hear, go get the money. So I go get it. Hate means I do something right. So I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head. Yeah, I'ma let him. All I hear, go get the money.
Hi, my name's Gary Robinson. I'm from Manchester, UK. I come to Antlara Dental because the service that I received so far is absolutely spot on. For 60 years of age, you can't get better than that. Throughout the whole of my process of being here, the staff have been unbelievable. Apart from unbelievable, there's been transparency all the way through it. There's no hidden agendas. Like, to tell you the truth, I went to Istanbul on my first visit because I've had implants, and there was wrong things said, wrong things done. But here, Antlara Dental, you'll be absolutely amazed when you come over here. The people, the atmosphere, the staff, the list is endless. How nice these people are over here, and I'm so grateful for the work that you've done. Thank you.